guys, I'm Bill Blake at VRV RV Center, and today, guess who I have? I have Grant with Winnebago Industries. Grant, say hi to everybody.
How's everybody doing today? We are going to be going over the Voyage fifth wheel from Winnebago Towables. This is the 3639 BHL. It is our largest bunkhouse we offer in our fifth wheel segment, and some neat things on the outside, just a couple things on the outside we wanted to highlight on. We're going to focus mostly on the inside of the unit, but we do have a direct entrance from the campsite to a half bath here, which is connected to the secondary bedroom slash bunk room, and a nice outside kitchen with a pull-out cooktop and sink and a refrigerator as well.
Now that we're in the inside, wow, I love this thing, Grant. Why would our customers love this floor plan?
Well, it's a really versatile floor plan. So right now we are in the living room slash galley area of the fifth wheel. So over on, there's gonna be two opposing slides. We have our kitchen slide here, which is well equipped with a 30-inch over-the-range microwave. We do have the double refrigerator door and double freezer door with no partition wall in the freezer, 12 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, a 3-burner cooktop stove right here with an oven, and then above that is that 30-inch over-the-range microwave I was talking about, which is also convection. As we pan over to the off-camp slide, we're gonna have theater seat, which is nicely positioned directly across from our entertainment center, a big 42-inch LED TV. You're gonna have a nice Jensen sound stereo there, large fireplace that goes the entire length of the entertainment center. And then for a little bit more permanent setting, we actually have equipped this unit with the freestanding table and 4 chairs, which is really nice if you're gonna be at more of a permanent campground or just wanna have a little bit more elbow room between 4 people as you eat. This will have a large single basin stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops, which are Corian, but also even the sink covers are gonna be made out of that same solid surface material, and a boom style sink, which is really nice for, you know, getting this out and spraying off any dishes you need to.
This is all great stuff, but I know there's a big secret back here. What is this back here?
This is going to be a private bunk room, but it's a little bit different from your traditional bunk room. So as you walk in, you're gonna see, bam, we actually have a real bed, not just a bunk bed. So if you have maybe larger kids or even adults, more than 2 adults you wanna take camping with you, this is gonna sleep them a lot more comfortably than a traditional bunk mat. Tons of storage on the left side of the bed. You're gonna see here a nice nightstand with 110 and USB outlets. This is gonna be a great amount of storage in through here, so you're gonna have more like linen storage here, and then this is gonna have hangers in it all the way across, so you could fit a ton of clothes in here. And then directly above us, you're gonna notice a lofted bunk. Probably could sleep easily 4 small kids or a couple larger kids up here as well. And this room does have direct access then to the half bath, which Bill is in right now. You can either come in from in here or the outside, which is nice, so you don't have to track, you know, a lot of mud or dirt into the unit just to use the restroom. It's just a nice quick access point for a restroom. And it's pretty roomy, isn't it, Bill?
Yeah, more storage in there as well. That's
more
great.
storage, a lot of legroom in front of the toilet, built-in ladder to get up here on top of the bunks. One thing I will point out about the bunks as well, there is a window and another window, which they do vent open for ventilation, so you can have a lot of good airflow still in that top bunk. So here we are standing right where you'd be if you came in the main entrance, and I also wanted to point out we have a really nice built-in pantry here, right next to your hutch. This is usually a great spot to put like a Keurig or some sort of coffee maker. You also are gonna have a built-in wireless cell phone charger right there on that, a little bit extra storage above. That's where you keep the K-cups. And then as we move upstairs to the lofted portion of the fifth wheel, you are going to have an Lci One Control Panel. This will not only monitor all your tanks and levels of everything, but it's also where you can control many of the functions of the unit. So you have all your lights you can turn on and off, your awning, your slide outs can all be controlled from this panel, which is really nice. This is going to be a 12-volt tank heater switch right here. So as you can see, it turns red, which means it's on. On each of the holding tanks, which we have very large holding tanks on this unit, they do have a 12-volt heat pad at the base of them, which is a secondary source of heat. You also will have direct heat from your furnace to the underbelly where the tanks are stored. Let's go on up here and check the bathroom and the bedroom out. So in our bathroom, we're going to have a large radius corner shower A little bit more stylized with a with some pattern in on the actual shower surround itself. Porcelain toilet, ample leg room around that as well. You're going to have a large stainless steel sink here in the bathroom along with a medicine cabinet as well. And then in the bedroom, this is going to be a queen bed. It is the only bed option available in this floor plan because we do have a wardrobe slide. The wardrobe slide is actually pretty functional. We're going to have quite a few drawers, 7 in total, 4 here beneath the hanging storage, and then another 3 a little bit larger drawers here, and a nice just spot to sit, you know, set anything you need, whether it's keys, your phones, just a nice little storage spot there, and then a little bit of a hanging space here on the left side of the bed as well. 110 USB will be on both sides of the bed, and this unit is also equipped with the second AC. This second AC is not a direct AC, it is also ducted, so both ACs in this unit are ducted.
Grant, thanks for so much for coming down here and explaining this floor plan to all of our customers. I'm in love with this thing. But guys, if you have any questions at all, my number will be posted below. Make sure you contact me. I'm Bill Blake at VRV RV Center.